Today we are cooking a simple and easy dinner, steamed soft tofu with choy sum and soy sauce. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of young baby choy sum. The stems here are young, so I will cook them whole. 330 grams of soft tofu. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. This soy sauce is not too salty. This is what it looks like. If you are using a more salty type of soy sauce, you might reduce it into 1.5 tablespoons or just 1 tablespoon of it. 1 teaspoon of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, and 4 tablespoons of water. Start with making the flour solutions to thicken the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of water into the tapioca flour. Stir until flour has dissolved. Next, steam the tofu. I have some boiling water here. Put in the steaming stand and put in the tofu. Cover the lid and steam for 5 minutes. While waiting for the tofu to steam, we are cooking the soy sauce gravy. Switch on the heat, add in all of the cooking oil, light soy sauce, and water. Bring it to boil. When the sauce is boiling, stir in the tapioca flour solution. I am putting in just 3/4 of it. It might be too much if we use all of it. Give it a stir. Now we have a lovely thick soy sauce gravy. Switch off the heat and leave it here. After 5 minutes, the tofu should be ready. Remove the tofu out of the steamer. After cooking, the tofu releases some liquids like this. Pour the water out of the dish while supporting the tofu and leave it aside. Next, remove the steaming stand from the hot water. I have prepared a basin filled with ice water here so we can blanch the choy sum. Raise the heat to high to bring up the water temperature. Add in all of the choy sum. Give it a turn to spread them around the pan. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for 45 seconds to 1 minute. After 1 minute, the water is boiling vigorously and the choy sum should be perfectly cooked, nice and crunchy. If you want it softer, you can cook it slightly longer. Next, take all of the choy sum out from the hot water and put it directly in the cold water. This is to stop the cooking process so that the choy sum will remain green and crunchy. I am straining off the cold water immediately after. Let's dish out and serve. I have arranged the choy sum in the large serving plate and placed both tofu here. Cut tofu into 4 pieces in each block. Next, top both choy sum and tofu with flavorful soy sauce gravy. On top and in between the cuts, pour it on the choy sum too. Next, sprinkle the crispy fried garlic for lovely fragrance and the crispy texture. Put some on the tofu. Wow, it looks so yummy. It can be served on its own or with rice. Let's eat. So good. The soy sauce gravy is tasty and goes very well with soft tofu and crunchy choy sum. Love it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.